Morning. Out here with Josh Kokinda, actually doing some sawing. This is our second log. This is a piece of poplar, and we're gonna run that to, see, we got a stack of 4/4 there, inch thick, and we're running it, gonna gang rip it down for the battens on the outside down to 2-inch strips, so he can gang rip all those at once. Heck of a lot easier than me doing it on my bandsaw.
I knew it would slide.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really wet. The hydraulics on this saw are really cool and make it so that you can just work a whole lot longer. It's really great.
Stuff with grain like this is on the inside, so I just tried to like call out anything where it wasn't going to have a lot of weather integrity.
Right. Yeah. No, that makes sense. Yeah, once you get into the pit like that, I always try to keep it to where it's going to go through only like 1 or 2 boards.
Yeah.
It's so hard to.
Yeah.
This one I'm looking at, like, this could be a cool, like, slab piece till we get down to where everything's good, to where we can get our 9.5. So I get down a little further there. This could be like a cool, like, 2-inch thick piece. It's like, I think this is going to have some cool stuff in it. Right. The way that that curves over, something's thrown in here. Which I pretty much have to get down there anyway.
Yeah, right.
I just figured that.
You're the expert. I'm like competent amateur at best, you know. So
well, we're in the same boat. That's all a guess. Educated guess.
That's funny. I watch you watch Yahya-Kamal on YouTube.
Yeah.
So he's always like, I don't know what I'm gonna get out of this. Let's try it. Right?
You never know.
Open it up. Find out what makes you think.
Could be anything.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I was wondering what that was, that thing that went in.
That's kind of a barking squeeze.
Maybe the tree broke off there.
helpers showed up, Ed and Geoff Caffyn, which is this is good. I'm getting run out. It's about 9:15 in the morning. So we've been at this for an hour and a half already. All right, so I think this big piece of ash is probably the last one we're going to do. It's almost noon. It's getting pretty warm out here, and it's really humid, and well, the breeze kicked back up, but for a while it was really dull, really like a doldrums. It really wind got dead, and everybody got overheated. So we're probably going to quit a little early, but we probably got a couple hundred board feet cut. We got one giant beam. Let's see if I can get over here on the pickup truck. There's a 16-foot 6x6 poplar we lashed up on top of the truck there. So it's been a good day. But, everybody's kind of done. Oh, all right. So here's what we got cut in the morning. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It hit almost 90 Fahrenheit out here, so it's a little warm. And the humidity's kind of high, and we kind of got drained. We started at 7:15. We figure we cut about 600 board feet. That includes this giant 6x6 16-foot poplar, and the oak beam that's down there is about 12 foot, and it's also a 6x6. It's probably the biggest piece of oak I've ever owned. So Probably not as much as I really wanted to get cut, but we just ran out of steam, or the steam caught up with us. I'm not sure which. So we'll have Josh back in a couple of days. Thanks to Ed and Geoff and Yahya. I'm getting too old to do this by myself, that's for darn sure. I was good for about an hour and a half or 2 hours, and then I was like, I gotta sit down. So there's a lot of wood. Actually, we took some inside, cut one piece of walnut, didn't cut any of the maple. Most of this is ash. On the bottom is poplar, and I decided we probably don't have enough poplar to do the rest of the inside of the shop in poplar, so I'm actually going to do the wall that's against the existing garage in ash. And I've got some beautiful ash in here. Great figure, beautiful color. Should be really fun. So that's where I am. Thanks for following along. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you watching anything else on the channel. There's plenty of things here. Me moving logs around with block and tackle and building the whole shop that's behind me. Playlist in the description. Thanks a lot. See ya. Go make something.